Hey, yo, what's up everybody, this is Huey and we're back with another video. We already received our first signal. I just literally started up my recording software and the signal came in, so I had to take it. I didn't get the initial trading asset signal, but it doesn't matter. We are already in. Not the best start, 69% payout, so I went with $200 instead of $500 as usual. So now let's skip ahead and see if we manage to secure this trade. Let's go. And here we are closing in on the first option of the day, and it seems like we are going to secure the dub here. A little bit of money, $138. It ain't much, but it is what it is. So definitely, as long as we win, the rest doesn't matter. So guys, if you are looking to get this robot, I advise you to send Neos a message saying you want the robot, and he'll provide you with all the information. And while you are not getting the robot, join our free signals group. It is absolutely free. You can join this group by simply following the link in the description. Once you join, there's a lot of information that will be useful to you as a trader, how to trade different patterns, how to utilize different indicators, etc. We have the giveaways here, and of course the free signals giving out every day when there's a trading session in private trading group. So hurry up, join now. This is absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything. This is available to you right now. All you need to do is follow the link in the description. However, my advice, after you join this group, the free signals group, try your best to join the private trading group. That group is an absolute gem. That's where you get full access to trading sessions with Neos, almost an entire hour of trading with Neos actually, and that will definitely yield you some incredible results. As last week we had 4 fantastic sessions. We skipped on Friday because Neos said there's a little bit, he doesn't like the market, so we're definitely going to trust him on that because he made millions of trading binary option and not many people can say they did. So guys, hurry up, join this group. To join this group, however, you're gonna need to send Neos a message saying you want to join team because the spots are limited, and now is the best time to join, since after the content comes out for this group it will be super hard to join and you're gonna have to wait until the spot frees up and then you will be able to join. So if you're looking to join this group, do it now, and then later on you can either stay, leave, whatever you decide. But my advice would be, of course, get in and try your best to get some money, join for our everyday trading session and start generating your balance that you can later use to start trading yourself. And now let's get back into trading. Let's get into the robot and see what next trading pair we get. Hopefully it is 92%. Let's go. Here we have our next trading asset, United States dollar to Swiss franc. So let's go ahead and set it up without hesitation. 81%. Okay, this is way better. However, I would like to have 92, but you can always have what you want, so we're gonna have to stick with 81%. It is definitely a good step up from the previous option, and generally I'm kind of sad when the robot gives you low payout pairs on weekends because there's so many good pairs, but we have to trust the robot because it analyzes all of the charts at the same time and gives you the best option. So if it decides that United States dollar to Swiss franc is the pair that we're trading with, then we have to stick with it and we have to trust in it. That's what it's all about. But it is completely up to you to change the amount, and if you don't like the pair, you can just completely skip the trade. So let's put this to 3 minutes so we don't, and there is the signal. 2 minutes once again, sell, and we are off. Let's go to the end of this option and see if we manage to get it. Let's go. And 10 seconds left, and it is anyone's game here. 5 seconds, and it seems like the price decided to go down, so that suits us just well. And here we are securing the option and getting our money. That's how easy it is, and the robot was correct, and that is exactly why we follow these trades. The payout fell down a little bit. We got 77% instead of 81, but it's all good. We're not trying to make an absurd amount of money here. We're taking on weekends, we're taking $1,000 per day, and we're fine with it. And you should set a certain goal for yourself. I'd advise, however, to set weekly goals and not. Oh, of course, you can have a daily goal so you don't overtrade, but my advice would be, of course, to keep track of your daily and monthly profits, how your trading goes. Always keep a track of it so you know where to improve. Analyze the losses that you took if you're trading yourself. If you're trading with robot, just make sure that you have outlined the pairs that you have the most success with and the pairs that are not doing so well with the robot, and maybe you can start dodging some of the pairs to avoid losses. However, the robot itself has 85% success rate, so even if you hit a lose streak, eventually you're just gonna catch up and you are gonna stay profitable. There is no way to lose money with this robot. I've had a guy send me a message. He said that the robot did not perform as well as he expected, but he only traded for one day. He got a little bit unlucky. He entered a few trades, they did not go through. It happens. You have to understand that the market does not follow the rules of the robot. The robot simply analyzes and gives you the best option. It has all the patterns imprinted in it, so the robot can see where the pattern is forming and what the chart looks up. It analyzes all of the time frames, not only the 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes that we're trading on. The robot also looks at 1 hour chart, so he can see way more than you as a beginner trader. If you're trading yourself and you are a professional trader, then you have certain pairs that you are trading on, and you only looking at those pairs and don't really venture too much outside. You don't trade like United States, Japanese yen or something. You maybe you will be trading only euro, United States dollar, but this robot, it analyzes everything and it gives you the best suitable option. So my advice, if you're trading with robot, do yourself a favor and maybe run a little like notepad where you put down which pairs you received and which pairs, and then you have a percentage. For example, you have a 90% success rate on United States Swiss franc. Then when you see that signal come in, you know that most likely you're gonna win. Or if the robot has like super low win rate on certain pair, you can skip that pair, right? This is a good advice for anyone who is getting into trading and who is going to be trying this robot out. Guys, don't be afraid to write down your trades and actually seeing which pairs do better for you. Now let's skip ahead to the next signal and see what we can get. Let's go. And here we get our next trading asset, euro, Great Britain pound. So let's see what it's like and what we're working with. It is 75. I don't like today's payout rate. So far it was really underwhelming, but we're gonna continue going and we're gonna try to squeeze out as much as possible out of this trading session. We already made approximately $500 with the 2 trades that we took, so I'd say we are on good track and we're doing great so far. So if you are looking to increase your balance but you don't know anything about binary option, don't just go blindly betting higher or lower and expect to win. Get yourself this robot, save your money, get yourself the robot, and start gradually moving up, increasing your balance to the point where you comfortably can spend $10, $50 on a trade while learning and not be mad about losing it. So here we are, 5 minutes buy, we enter and we go to the end of this option to see what it is. Let's go. and another quick and precise signal from the robot, and we secure our money and get a dub. $375 locked in, 3 options, 3 wins, took us 20 minutes, and that is fantastic. If that's not the life you want to live, if that's not the financial independence that you're looking for, then I don't know what is. I absolutely got tired of working on my job from 9 to 5. I barely have time for anything. I have to do work overtime a lot. Here with binary options, you are the master of your destiny. You are working basically for yourself, treat it like business, and believe me, you will be successful. But the best way to start off is getting the robot, joining the free signals group, and try to trade on as many platforms as in use the free signals that we have in our group, use the robot, and use the private trading sessions. And believe me guys, you will have a fantastic time seeing your $10 turn into $100, your $100 turn into 1,000 eventually, and then you will just start going and building on top of it, as long as you set yourself the rules of trading. If you do risk management and you don't over trade, that is the most important thing. Make sure that you know when you want to step away and go away. Don't revenge trading. As I always say, do not trade when you're heated, do not trade when you're emotional. It's not gonna be good, and you're not gonna have a great time coming back after that session and seeing your balance get lower. So that is it. Now let's do one more trade. I want to get over $1,000 for overall session trade, and let's see which pair we're getting. Let's go. And here's the last option, the last signal of the day: euro to United States dollar. Pretty stable pair, even though right now 1 euro basically equals $1, which is pretty insane, haven't been seen before. But as I say, we're trading on euro United States dollar OTC, and OTC is regulated by the brokers, so don't get it mistaken. Now we just need to receive our signal and see if we can secure 4 options out of 4, or we're gonna have to resort to the safe option. I would really love if I just had a clean session. That would be fantastic. And of course, if we take a loss on the safe option, that would be basically a $20 $30 loss on the trading session. But I have yet to be disappointed by this robot. This robot has been very consistent in its performance, and I cannot thank enough the people who made this and how well it was created and designed to be super comfortable and super easy to use. And here we are already in. So let's go and see if we collect this money. Let's go. 30 seconds left, and I am probably going to prepare for the safe option as the price continues to rise. I'm gonna change the time to 2 minutes, amount to 1,000. And yeah, we can still bounce back. Nah, there's no chance now. So this is going to be a safe option, unfortunately. Remember that on weekends the robot does not give you the safe option, so you have to do it yourself. And there it is, the option is over on the robot, and now it is over for us as well. And we immediately enter a short position once again, but for 2 minutes, and hopefully we get it. Let's go. 10 seconds left. The price still is around the same point, and there it goes. It bounces up, and unfortunately, oh nope, oh there it oh okay, okay, we take that, we made all the money back. Oh my god, why does it always have to be this close? We made all the money back, and we actually made $300 on top of that, so that is great. We made everything, and we are over 1,000 in profit for this session. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Get yourself this robot. Send Neos a message on Telegram saying I want the robot, and he'll provide you with all the information that you need. I hope you're having a fantastic weekend. Join our groups. You can find the link to Free Signals group in the description below, and private trading group. Send Neos a message on Telegram saying you want to join team. That is it for me, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.